Hey guys, it's Meg and welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we're going to be completing the bullet journal for beginner August series and create the last 2 weekly spreads to finish our August setup. This is just a little reminder of the pages we've set up so far, and when you're ready turn to a new page in your journal and we can get started on week 3. So first things first, we need to measure out the initial layout, and I'm counting in 5 dots from the centre on each side, and then splitting the page into equal quarters for the horizontal sections. As you can see, I do check this with a ruler as well, just to make sure, because you don't want to start setting up and realise you've not measured properly and it's all off. Once that's finished, I then pencil in the days of the week and the main August title before I start sketching out the little paper aeroplanes and cartoon cloud illustrations. Here I've also included week 3 as a subtitle in a little cloud just below the title of August so we can keep track of what week we're on. Then it's time to go over all of our basic sketching in black pen. Here I'm using the 0.7 fine liner as usual, being sure to use a ruler as well because these lines would definitely not be straight if I didn't, and carrying on using the same pen to go over the title lettering as well as all the illustrations. Now to do the days of the week. This is a slightly different style of writing, although it's a similar font to what we've used previously with the bouncy hand lettering style. But this time I've decided to put the words inside the line. So to do this you need to write the word out first and then draw a straight line on either side of the word, leaving a little gap between the line and the word. Then we go back and join the end of the line to the start of the word using either a curved line or maybe a loop to join them together. Then it's time to go over all the other illustrations in the same black pen. If you've seen my other videos then you will definitely be a pro at this bit by now. Then as usual just rubbing out any pencil lines left behind and finish by adding some colour. I then went back over the title in a black felt tip pen just to make it stand out a little more, and then I added the dates just below the days of the week. And that is week 3 complete. So turning on to the next empty double page spread in your journals, we can start setting up for week 4. So here I've started by splitting the pages into equal quarters with a double line down the middle vertically and a single horizontal line across the centre. I have then also added a line 2 dots up from the horizontal line and 2 dots below, as this will form the guideline for the title. Then to create the sections for the days of the week, just start filling in a simple bubble line outline to create small boxes in each quarter on both pages. And then it's time to fill in the title in the horizontal section we've created that goes across both pages. Here I'm using a slightly loose, joined up handwriting font so that it is able to stretch across the entire page. It's quite lucky here that August has 6 letters, so it's easy to write evenly with 3 letters on each side of the middle line. Same again on the right hand side of the page where we will write week 4, making sure the word week is on one side of the middle line and the word 4 is on the other side. This will ensure the title is evenly spread across the pages. And now it's time to start outlining the bubble boxes. I'm using the 0.7 tip pen again, and once you've done that, going over the title in a slightly thicker black pen if you've got one. I'm using a fine tip colouring pen for this. And then after that, just rubbing out all the pencil marks as usual before we add colour. So now I'm going to be adding a single horizontal line at the top of each of the bubble boxes using the Tombow brush pen in blue. This is where I will then write the days of the week, but I'm putting the colour down first just so that the pen doesn't smudge. And then I'm going to add a bit of colour to the title just to make it tie in with the rest of the theme and stand out a little more. I'll be putting it in the places where a shadow would be seen if it were in 3D, so below the lines or to the right of the lines. It's kind of hard to explain, but hopefully you can see what I mean as you watch me do it. It is a little bit fiddly, this bit, so if you have a thin pen, then that will probably be best, but if you wanted to have a slightly thicker blue line around the title, then that's totally up to you. Then it's time to add the days of the week on top of the blue lines. You can use whatever style of writing you like, but I'm going to use the bouncy hand lettering that I've been using throughout this journal. And what I sometimes find helpful is to pretend that I'm writing the word in the air slightly above the place I'll be writing, just to make sure the word will fit in when I actually put it down on paper. And that is week 4 complete. And so now that we've finished the basic August spreads, I thought we should just have a little flip through to see all the pages now that they are all together. Obviously we have our August cover page and calendar page, and then we did the habit tracker and gratitude log, then we did our weekly spreads, so August week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. I really hope you've enjoyed this little series of tutorials. Please be sure to let me know in the comments below if you would like me to do more of these for other months. I've got lots more YouTube videos planned, so please like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next one.